Welcome to the future of FPS games. FPS, or first-person shooter, is a video game genre defined by the simple, powerful concept of playing a shooting game through the eyes of the character you are playing as. This core design makes the experience intensely immersive, as your perspective is literally the protagonist's. The entire genre is built around using that viewpoint for fast action, precision aiming, and deep weapon mastery. Get ready for massive 6 months, because the next wave of shooters is about to drop. Before we start, which upcoming FPS game are you most excited for? Tell me in the comments, like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday. 1. Marathon. First quarter of 2026, a high-stakes, high-adrenaline warzone game. The next massive PvPvE, player versus environment extraction shooter from Bungie, the legends who created Halo and Destiny. It will be available for PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X. This is about risk, reward, and pure chaos. As a runner, you infiltrate hostile alien worlds to loot rare gear and battle every enemy in sight, including other players. Your goal is to survive and extract. 2. High on Life 2, February 13, 2026. Need a break from all that seriousness? High on Life 2 is bringing the laughs, loud and fast. Locked in for February 13, 2026, this sequel delivers more psychedelic sci-fi mayhem, and of course a fresh lineup of talking, wisecracking alien guns. The formula is simple. Unique worlds, fast-paced shooting, and non-stop, irreverent comedy. If you need a game that doesn't take itself seriously, this is your ticket. It will be available for PC, PS5, and Xbox Series X and S. 3. Blood. Refreshed supply. December 4, 2025. Want to play an FPS today? You've got it. Blood. Refreshed supply is available from December 4, 2025. This is the definitive edition of the cult classic 90s boomer shooter, coming to PS5, Xbox Series, Switch 2, PS4, Xbox One, Switch, and PC. It's pure gothic horror, filled with explosive chaos, insane weapons, and a healthy dose of dark humor. If you crave that raw, unapologetic old-school FPS rush, grab this updated classic immediately. 4. Mouse. PI for Hire. March 19, 2026. Get ready for an FPS that is visually unlike anything you've ever seen. Launching March 19, 2026, Mouse. PI for Hire puts you in the middle of a noir detective story rendered entirely in the stunning style of a 1930s rubber hose cartoon. This unique aesthetic feels like Cuphead meets crime drama. Is paired with a chaotic, fast-paced shooter experience. It's an instant style icon coming to the genre. It will be available for PS5, Xbox Series, PS4, Xbox One, Switch, and PC. 5.007 First Light, March 27, 2026. Our final target is 007 First Light, available on March 27, 2026, from the brilliant minds at IO Interactive, the studio behind the game Hitman. This is a James Bond origin story. It's a sophisticated first-person thriller that blends tactical stealth, signature gadgets, and intense gunfights. Get ready to earn that license to kill in a stunning new espionage shooter. It will be available for PC, Xbox Series X and S, PS5, and Nintendo Switch 2. The first half of 2026 is absolutely loaded with explosive, unique, and highly anticipated FPS titles, from the high-stakes competitive tension of Marathon and the refined espionage of 007 First Light to the pure visual joy of Mouse and the immediate nostalgia of Blood. There truly is an FPS experience for every type of player. Pick your favorite weapon, load up your calendar, and get ready for the action. You don't want to miss out on these amazing games. And if you feel tired from waiting for the other games, you can play Blood. Refresh supply today already. It is time to game. Like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday.